Fashion. Fashion. Fashion saves. Fashion saves. Whether you thrift or wear custom made, whether you're bad or well behaved, fashion saves. Living fast and on the edge, goody two shoes, moms and maids, fashion saves. You work the streets or work the clubs, 9 to 5 or got no job, daughters, sons and in between, fashion saves and fashion bleeds. Fashion, not a want but a need, all emotion, fashion grieves, fact or fiction, all in line, fashion never wastes your time. Fashion saves. Fashion saves. Fashion saves. Go in your mind, don't need a dime. Release yourself of paradigms. Upcycle is the way to go. Fashion shouldn't hurt a soul. Fashionista, fashionable. Fashion life to save us all. Fashion killer, wear your noose. Fashion angel, winged up shoes. Fashion baby, strike a pose. Give us everything you've got. Give us everything. Fashion saves. Fashion baby, strike a pose. Give us everything you've got. Fashion saves. Take a breath, sit back, unwind. Looks so good, it'll make you blind. Dusk to dawn, it's worth the grind. It's worth it, fashion, worth the grind. Fashion saves, you know, fashion saves. Fashion saves. Fashion saves. Fashion saves. Release the hounds. Release the hounds.